Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when your Smite isn't launching or you get the authentication error. And during the test of 27th of August, you need to launch your game through Smite 2, not the public test, because right here it won't work. So if you have any problems, try running a game through just Smite 2 in your library. And the other way to fix it is to right click on the game right here, move to properties, and inside we want to go for installed files. Then you'll be able to check and verify integrity of your game files, and if this works then just click on it and wait till the game patches up and try launching it again. The other way and problem you may face is with your antivirus, and depending on which antivirus you have, you can right click on it usually and then just deactivate the antivirus for like 10 minutes and see if it works. And that would be actually all of my ideas on how to fix this problem. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.